Hello friends, today we are going to see how to submit an assignment to Google Classroom. So go to the Google Classroom, select Classroom, select the class to which you are going to submit your assignment. Go to the classwork, select assignment tab. Okay. So I'm going to submit the assignment number 1 for staircase. So click on assignment number 1. Go to the your work, go to the attachment, add attachment. Now you have to select your file which you have scanned. So in my case I have scanned my written assignment, had written assignments by using cam scanner. So that file is available in my mobile phone. But suppose if your files are available on Google Drive, then you may select the drive option and select the appropriate folder and file. And if your file is available at some link, then you may put the link also. As in my case, I have scanned my handwritten assignment in the cam scanner app, so that same file is available in my phone only. Internal memory of my phone is available. So just click on the file option. Then, as I told you, that my file is available in CamScan folder. So that CamScanner folder is already open in my case, but just I want to show you that how you can select it. So just click on this menu button, then click on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, as this is the internal memory of my phone. So in case of other brands, that brand name or the model name of your phone will be available here, or internal memory may be written here. So click on the internal storage also, or that brand name also. Then go to the cam scanner folder. In that cam scan folder I have submitted my file here with the name of DCS2 assignment. So just I'm going to change the view. So here is my assignment. So DCS2 assignment number 1. So I'm going to select this file. This file is going to attach to your classroom. It may take some time as per the networks available in your area. So now file is attached, but it is not submitted. So for submission we have to click on hand in option. So once again it is going to ask you about the confirmation whether the attachment you have assigned or you have selected is correct or not. So just after confirming that where the correct file has been attached, so click on the submit button. So now our work is submitted, the message come here. So here we can see that the work is submitted. Just one option is available here, that handed in means that your assignment is submitted to your teacher. So now your teacher will check that assignment, and after checking that assignment he will be able to read your assignment. So after going through your assignment, he will suggest if any corrections to you, or he may directly gives the grades to you. So those grades are also available to you, so that you can see those grades. So just for checking your grades, just go to back, come to the top page. So here this option is available. So just on the top right corner, click on this option. So it will show you the conditions of your assignments, that these assignments have been assigned to you and here you haven't submitted it. The handed in option means you have submitted your assignment, and assign and missing option indicates that the assignment is assigned to you but you have not submitted it yet. Or missing means its date of, or its due date is over. So you have to submit it after due date only. Okay. and if your assignment is graded, then the grades are also available to you. So you can see here in unit number 3 assignment, the 10 out of 10 grades have been assigned by your teachers. So in this way you'll be able to submit assignment in Google Classroom. Thank you.